Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen, the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, guys. So in my last video, I wanted to share with you quickly how the memory spread is turning out. I already did Monday. I'm not finishing. I finished with the journaling. Haven't quite finished with the journaling yet. And I am using Once Upon a Fall, and I'm going to be using Once Upon a Fall again. And also I'll share with you sorry, I couldn't remember the date, what I am going to be using. Actually, no, technically let's keep this open because I need to so I'm going to use up the rest of the kit. This is what I have left, and I have a few things left. If I don't use everything, that's okay. And also half and actually quarter boxes. I'm also going to be using her schedule stickers. I think these are the neutral tones. This is what I got from a freebie, so I'm going to use that. This is from Holly Nickel. I'll leave it down below. And I'm also going to be using Savannah Paper Co.'s dots. So I'm going to use the really light ones here. So that will be for Monday. And then today I'm just going to add the date dots. And I think that I will just fast forward you guys. Before I start, I want to mention that I am going to be doing just 2 pages. I'm going to be doing Tuesday and Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday I will come back on and finish the rest of the week. So Friday will be the rest. Alright, so now we're going to fast forward. Alrighty, guys, so I also forgot to mention that if you use Eileen 20, you get 20% off in my PR freebie at Sassy Planner Co. I'm using the light gray date covers and also the autumn date covers from Savannah Paper Co. Sorry about that, little bit of a brain fart. So I really love using my rest of my kits for this. So that's the reason why you'll see the kit being used maybe once or twice. That beautiful pen right there is from Sassy Planner Co. shop. The school sticker is from Sugar Pop Fizz. And we need sleep. Wake him up at 5:40 in the morning a.m. has been a little bit of a challenge. Alrighty, guys. So that is also from Savannah Paper Co. So we're going to just be using on the sidebar a little bit of the kit. We're going to be using up the rest of the deco sticker and the last heart box checklist heart. I'm so sorry, guys. Jeez Louise. Alright, and also that beautiful tweezers. Those are the straight ones. I finally found mine. Yay! Those are the customizable tweezers. I absolutely love the both of them. So I figured I would try and share with you the different ones that are available in her shop, and that is the freebie that I got. So I decided to use it. I thought it went perfectly well with the spread. So kind of using up my fall/Halloween. I did not use the Instagram stickers. I did use the YouTube stickers. I didn't use the lazy stickers, and I did use the ghosty stickers. And I also did use the sleepy time stickers. I was kind of going back and forth between which stickers to use. I did decide to use a little bit of the the charcoal sampler from the Sticker Shop Co. Oh, coffee, please, seriously kick in. So I'm going to be using that coffee sticker to mark off like PR check-in. I'm going to use the laundry sticker. Oh, wait, YouTube sticker comes first. And then I'm like, wait a minute, I don't have folding laundry sticker. So I decided to use the laundry sticker from the kit since I didn't use it. If I can find it. So I was kind of looking back and forth, and I couldn't find anything that was appropriate. So I was like, oh, okay, well, I'll just use this. And then that cute little ghosty sticker to mark off TV watching, probably during dinner, but I decided to put it there. And then I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video that I'm going to be using the rest of the spooky kit. I love this kit, absolutely gorgeous. I'm still using it a little bit for the spread, so I'm not going to use a lot of it. I just wanted to use maybe 1 or 2. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But I definitely wanted to use it for this particular daily journaling for Wednesday. I did decide to use the charcoal glitter headers. This is the, I believe, the dark gray or black date covers from Sassy Planner Co. Her stickers, and I keep flipping back and forth, and I apologize for that, guys, because I keep forgetting what date dots that I want to use. I know I want to use the leaves for the last 2 days that I finished working on, Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, I decided to use the ghost. She has like these cute little ghosts. I also have the graveyard stickers, which I use for the for the memory spread. She does have date dots. Sassy Planner Co. does have these cute little date dots. They are foiled date dots. That is a scallop sticker from Savannah Paper Co. And I'm also going to be using a phone from Planner Frenzy. That is the black glitter. And the little car sticker is from the sampler pack. Marking off when my husband kind of sort of leaves. I'm also going to be using the Planner Frenzy school bus stickers, but I didn't have them on hand. I left them upstairs. So I'm just going to finish up, try to make everything look nice. Again, that's from the little sampler that I got, and the sleepy time sticker, and recycling on Wednesday. So that is my spread, you guys, and these are all my tools that I use. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.